Truck drivers are one of the few professionals in the transportation industry regulated by the government and told when they must eat, sleep, and drive. The rules state that a driver can work 14 hours per day, with 11 of those hours driving, but he must take a 30-minute rest break after every 8 hours of driving, and he must stop for 10 continuous hours of rest each day. Furthermore, a driver cannot log more than 70 hours per week, and he must take a 36-hour reset every week to be able to get a fresh set of 70 hours. Well, this is bullshit. Most drivers are capable of regulating themselves and getting the proper amount of sleep, being able to eat and maintain a healthy lifestyle if they can stop when they want to, not when they have to. Years ago, a driver was allowed to work a different schedule. For example, he could drive for 5 hours and then rest for 5 hours. Or he could drive for 8 hours and then rest for 8 hours, with a maximum of 12 hours of driving time allowed every day. These rules were eliminated due to the greed and slave driver mentality of the companies that they worked for. A dispatcher's motto was, "Well, you can sleep a long time when you're dead, so just keep driving." For this reason, the rules were developed for the well-being of the worker, even though they're not really functional for a normal human. In the present day, a driver must cram all of his off time into a 10-hour window. Besides getting fuel and inspecting his truck, he must eat, shower, use the restroom, do his laundry, relax, and sleep during this time. It doesn't get any better either. Most companies and law enforcement do not allow drivers to stop along the road, off-ramps, or rest areas. Shopping centers frown on drivers camping out in their parking lots, and many way stations won't allow you to park there either. For this reason, truck stops are pretty much the only place the driver can complete his daily schedule. Many truck stops are crowded, dirty, expensive. It's a given that they're in business to make money, but they overcharge and do not always keep their places as clean as a driver would like. I'll be talking more about truck stops later, but I just wanted to get my 2 cents worth in that truck stops are not the party that others portray. In most cases, they are a dirty, dangerous, lonely, and noisy place for hardworking people to try to follow the government's rules.